There is a new and updated method for creating a PayPal account in Ghana right now. You may have noticed that whenever you want to create an account, this type of error pops up. Well, in this video, I will show you a new way to create a verified PayPal account right here in Ghana. And this method is an updated version of the one Reggie created last year for this channel. And to ensure it's fully working, I made this brand new account less than a week ago and I've already received a few dollars in it. But before we get started, you will need a fresh email address. And I mean an email that has not been used for PayPal account before. Then your first and last name, your date of birth, your residential address, and a picture of your government photo ID showing both the front and back. And this can be a passport, Ghana card, or a driver's license. And once you have all this in place, open a new browser tab and then click on these three dots here. Click on that and then click on new private mode window, right? Click on it. And then the next step is to type www.paypal.com, right? Then click on enter, right? Yeah, so once this page opens, the next thing is to scroll down to the bottom of this page and then click on this US flag. Click on it, right? Click on it and then scroll a bit and then choose Togo, right? Ensure you click on Togo. Alright, so once this page opens, the next thing is to check your URL, right? So check if the URL is paypal.com/tg/home, right? Once that is correct, head over to this side and click on open a business account. So click on that. Then wait for a few seconds for this page to load up, right? Yeah, so once this page opens, the next thing is to go ahead and type your first name. So let me type mine, Reggie, right? Then go ahead and type in your last name. The next step is your country code, right? So Ghana's country code is +233. So let's look for Ghana. Yeah, so Ghana is right here. Click on that and then enter your Ghanaian phone number, right? So go ahead and type in your Ghanaian phone number, right? So once you finish with that, type in your email address here, right? So ensure the email is a brand new email that hasn't been used on PayPal before. So go ahead and type in your correct email here. Once you are done with your email, create a password for your account. So ensure you can remember this password. So go ahead and type your password. Once you finish creating your password, agree to PayPal's terms and conditions by checkmarking this one. Then click on agree and create, right? Now the next thing here is to tell PayPal that you are not a robot. So try as much as possible and solve this security challenge, right? Once you finish with that, verify and then wait for a few seconds, and then when this page opens, click on test your code, right? So PayPal will send you a code. Once you receive that code, type the code here and then click on submit, right? Once you click on submit, you should have a similar interface like this one, right? Then click on let's go, right? Once you click on that, ensure you go ahead and choose individual seller and then choose individual, right? Then click on next. Then scroll down a bit, right? So go ahead and type in your date of birth, right? sure the date of birth is correct. Then with the nationality, you can leave it to Togo, but let's choose Ghana for a reason. Scroll down and look for Ghana, and then here, that's Ghana. Click on that, and then in here you need to enter your residential address, right? So fill in address line 1. Yes, address line 1. Then with the city, you can type Accra, but let's go ahead and choose a city in Togo, right? So I want to go with Lomé, right? So let me type Lomé, right? Then in here, you can choose Kaswa, right? Then here you can type 00233. Yes, that's the postal code for Ghana. Then click on next. Right. So there are 2 confirmations here. Let's go with the recommended one. Right. So let's choose the first one. And that's just that. Right. Good. Yes. So check mark, just use your full legal name. And then with the business registration number, you can go ahead and type any random number, right? You can type any random number. Then with the product and services, you can choose anything, right? Yeah, so you can go through and choose anything, but I want to choose something similar to what I usually do, right? So I'll go with record store, right? Yeah, so do you have a website? No. And then check mark, use your residential address and click on next. Right, so as you can see, say congrats, you are all set. So click on go to home page, right? Click on that. Yes, so as you can see, this is my PayPal dashboard, right? Yeah, but as you can see, there is a notification on our dashboard, and the first one suggests that we need to send some information to PayPal to get full access to our account, right? And the second one is to confirm our email address, right? So let's go to our email, and then you can see this is written in French. So this is the first one that says confirms, right? So click on that, and then what you need to do is to right click, copy link address, then open your private browser again, open a new tab, ensure it's a new private tab, then paste the link you copied from your email here, and then type in your password, right? So go ahead and type in the password you use. Yeah, so once you are done with that, the next thing is to just confirm the password and log in to your account, right? So log into the account, and as you can see, it says your email has been confirmed, right? So go ahead and click on continue, right? And then this should bring you to our main dashboard again. And as you can see, the email verification is no longer showing on our dashboard, right? And the next thing we need to do is to submit our identity verification so that PayPal can lift all the necessary limitation on our account, right? And to do that, click on this notification bell, click on it, right? And as you can see, PayPal is telling us to confirm some information to lift the suspension. So click on see details, right? Once you click on that, this is the page where you are going to submit your information. And to do that, click on resolve, and then click on this place, document type, and then select the type of identification you have available. I have the Ghana card, so I want to go with my national identity card. So let me go ahead and select that one, and then click on browse files, then locate where your ID is, and then upload the font page, then click on browse files again and upload the last page or the back page, and then go ahead and click on submit. Right, click on submit. Yes, so as you can see, your information has been submitted. So let's go to account limitation. Right, let's go to account limitation. As you can see, the notification here says it is submitted. Right, now the next thing we need to do is to wait for a few minutes or some few hours and then check our PayPal email. So let me go to my email, and then as you can see, PayPal has just restored my PayPal account. Right, so meaning my account is fully ready to send and receive payments. Right, so yeah, that's just that. That is how to create a verified PayPal account here in Ghana. Right, so that's just that. If you are still getting this error feedback, the best way to fix this is to switch your internet connection, or better still, use a Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. My name is Collins, and I'll see you on the next one. It's a bye.